Green Thumbs emerged out of the Better Gardening course, which happened some time ago, a long time ago. A few of us decided that we wanted to continue to meet and to potter around the garden after the conclusion of the course, and so we decided to get together. Somebody suggested that an underutilized garden in Belleville ought to be put into full service, and so they descended upon it. They're most welcome. We meet every Wednesday, usually by about 8:30, 9 o'clock we start, and we finish by about 11, before the sun becomes too hot. And we do almost everything that a small garden does. But I would very much like the younger hands, the gardeners, to have their say. Thank you.
Okay. But we're going to go to the gardeners now.
The emphasis is on herbs and food, basically. We do a few ornamentals, but that is where the focus is. And we try to share ideas that emerge from our experience, and we share cuttings and seeds and so on, so that this represents what most of us do, but back at home we have our own little gardens going, some bigger than others.
So why the emphasis on herbs and foods and not flowers?
Well, I think that was the intention of the Better Gardening program, to get members of BARP growing their own food and generally trying to impact the food bill of the country, and sharing techniques, raised gardens and so on for older folks, so that you don't break up your back and things like that.
We promised to leave the one with the flowers for seeding, just in case. So let us have these two. If you like, you can cut off the bottom.
Is this one of the things that you can plant and keep coming and taking?
If you feel strongly about it, yes.
Okay.
I believe that when things are harvested, they should be eaten. Arundel,
Yeah.
would you like that one?
Yes.
So tell us a bit about your involvement in Green Thumbs.
Well, it started when I first heard the advertisement for BARP members to be a part of the Better Gardening project, and I applied and I was accepted, and that's where it started. And I have my own small garden.
Not small.
Very small garden, and I grow my herbs like we do here, my vegetables, and I do enjoy it. And we also get a chance to visit each other's gardens and see, how different ways of setting up, utilizing the space that we have. And it has been very productive for me so far.
So you think that when you participate in a program such as this, which is more hands-on, that is better than than just theory?
Of course, because when we come here, we learn, we observe what is happening here, and we also get information from the others, about what they do, how they do what they do, and the results that they get. So, yes.
And your garden that you have at home, which I noticed you modestly said it was small, have you given any thought to selling your produce?
No.
So you're just into pretty much looking to make your family, feeding your family self.
Yeah, and my friends, and here we bring things here and share with one another as well.